Look at that. What is that? Ooh.
Damn, I saw you went to some pretty far place, man.
Me? What do you mean? Oh, Mario was there.
Are you gonna buy something?
This. Nice. There we go. Got one signature. Got the other. That's a sick plate. Mario, can I show your wheel?
Dude.
Check it out. Mario's got the wheel.
Crazy.
Sick, man. Sick. That guy's still looking for parking. Oh.
Vic, I know you're gonna bump it. Yo, Ronnie's here.
Hey. Hey.
The white comic from get a good shot like from this side.
Too Fast, Too Furious vibes a little, right?
This is where they shot the first film, probably.
It's a bunch of R's, right?
Yeah. And the food is
Apex Alpharetta for hosting this event at Doghouse Garage. And we have no surprise for Maaya, you know, since 559, 55 is her birthday. So we want to present her with a birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Maaya. Happy birthday to you.
So much.
All right, that was a lot of fun, and I had a pretty good time. I also got a pack. They have like trading cards. So fun. We should, I think everyone should have their own trading cards. Just brand yourself. I'm gonna pop them open. I have no idea. I think some are rare, but I have no idea if any are or if they're not. Here's what I got. Ooh, young Max Orido. Oh, ooh, that's like a tag team card. Father-daughter duo, boom. Maaya, hey, let's go. I think that's Maaya again. Yo, that's a good pick. I like it. I want to pick like that of myself. Anyways, it was a good night of meeting new people, seeing old friends, and lots of cars. This was a genuine car enthusiast meet. Those are my final thoughts. Can't believe this was on a Wednesday night, breaking up the work week with a fun car meet. I would have put this in top 5 car meets of all time. Really, it was like every car there was super built up. A bunch of local cars, a bunch of cars I hadn't seen before as well, though. A lot of friends. Mayo was nice. Mario Wing, the whole gang was there. I think there were a lot of creators there who I had met at Adro. This was a big meet. I would put it in my top 5. It was just like a chill Southern California classic, beautiful sunset car meet. It was really like, this is what it's all about. Just chill people who have such a big passion for cars, put so much passion into their builds, people who make content, people who work on cars, people who race cars, clearly. Obviously, Maaya and Max being the anchor for this. And I hadn't been to Doghouse yet. This was my first time going to Doghouse, so it was a sick garage. I have no complaints. This was the coolest meet ever. My friends, until next time, I hope you enjoyed. Take care.